happening, guys? Back out again, me and Simon, back at Twin Peaks Wild Camping, and we are going to be doing a snow camp. Always wanted to do one, and now we got our wish. It's going to be brilliant. Can't wait. Check this out. Yes, we're making our way up now. We don't know where we're going to camp. We're just going to look for the peak with the most snow on it and head for there. And coming through the valley, it's a bit of a snowstorm now. So yeah, it's all fun.
I brought you something close to me, left with something new. See through your hair, you haunt my dreams. There's nothing to do but believe. Just believe. Just breathe.
Making our way up the Gap Road now. Gosh, like a blizzard. What we're going to do, walk up to the Gap Road where the junction is at Cribbin and Vannabeek, and we're going to head up that way because we know there's a stone wall shelter there. There's a building, so what we're going to do, we're going to try and pitch a tent, shelter, just so it keeps the wind off a bit. Well, that's the plan anyway, so we'll see what happens. You know, we want the snow, but it's coming. We've got a tenfold. We've got a blizzard as well. So we're only going to do it if it's safe. If we think at any time it's not going to be safe up there, we're going to bail and come back down. Simple as that. I need to throw his snowballs to get over. Nearly at Vannabeek now. And the wind's eased off a bit, stopped snowing, but that is beautiful. Cribbin, Hanavan, Corndy over there, somewhere. Yeah, you can see bracken in the distance. Straight over down the top there is bracken, it's just totally green. There's a different landscape, totally. It's bracken biggest view. We're well above the snow line now. Awesome. Gotta be careful you're walking here because the snow's that deep. I'll just wiggle a hole there. You can't see where the path is. So you've got to be ultra careful you don't disappear. We're on the summit now. What we're going to do, we're going to put our tent by here somewhere, because we've got like a bit of a shelter to shelter us off the wind a little bit. But it's blizzard conditions up here. It's total whiteout. It's really good. I put the tent there now and we'll bring you back. Tell you what, it's pretty bleak up here. When our wind picks up, God, I mean, half cold. So I think I'm going to make a cup of coffee, I think. Yeah, as Simon says, we're gonna get a coffee on the go now. But in the meantime, have a look at this. This is a camp fridge. I got a selection of ciders tonight. Stowford Press, Thatcher's Gold, Crumpton Oaks, and a couple of cans of your favourites, Herefordshire Firewater. So maybe going down a treat later. Right, welcome to the tent. Whew. Managed to pitch it up. It's blowing a gale, but we got there in the end. Just gonna have a sit inside a minute just to warm up a little bit. Welcome back, guys. Time for a brew. The only thing is, some plonker forgot to bring water up. That plonker being me. So what I'm trying to do is melt snow in the jack boil. But it could be a long process. See how it goes now. The snow has finally melted. Jack boil starting to boil. My cup of coffee. Then look at that out the window. Window, door even. Mad. But all good fun. That's what it's all about. Right then, I'll just show you what's for tea tonight and on the menu. I got a British beef sirloin steak, some mushrooms, and a knob of butter. In my bag I have the old Twin Peaks staple camp food, the pepperami. I got a chicken pasty. And a couple of Kit Kats. Time for a bit of food then. Got a knob of butter in a pan. Well, it's bigger than a knob. We've got to come in the tent and start cooking because it's too windy out there. Oh, it's too cold. So let the butter melt down now. A couple of mushrooms in the mix now. That's about done, that is now. I'll turn the gas off. Lovely. There it is then, folks, the finished article. And I've got to be fair, it smells better than what it looks. Right, Simon's had his food now. And I'm going to have mine now. We've got to do it in relays because there's not a lot of room in here. I'm having long grain rice, chili con carne, which I cooked last night. So, stick it in the pot now and heat it up. Just want to show you a new piece of kit I had today in the post. Bought this from Wish, a Chinese company online. It's a titanium stove. I've got to try and do this one-handed. Jesus. Try and get out of there. It's jammed in, it is. Yes, titanium, and it's one of those remote stoves that sits on the floor, and it's got like a pipe coming from it. You connect that to the gas, and that was 25 quid, titanium from Wish, and it come in like 10 days or something. Yeah, so it's made by Fire Maple. Don't know if you can see that. So yeah, for 25 quid, and that was £8 shipping as well. Well, £8 shipping included in the £25. So yeah, 25 quid for the titanium stove, and it fits in that little orange box. Yeah, gotta be fair, looks pretty good. So what do you think of this then? All the clouds have disappeared, and we got a lovely sunset going on over there. Still a bit windy up here. Pan around, you see cribbing. It's cleared up quite a bit, so in a good way we can see more, but in a bad way we might have a bit of a colder night tonight. Stunning. Just come out of the tent to have a little look around, and clear skies. There's a sharp frost forming on the tent already, as you can see. The wind's died down considerably now, and just got to apologise for the first part of the video when we come up, first come up here. The wind was horrendous, so there's probably going to be a fair bit of wind noise, but we'll try and cut out as much as we can. But welcome back, guys. We just come outside the tent now, and well, the clear skies just disappeared. We got cloud cover again, it's snowing again, so it's about 10 o'clock, so we're going to make our way to bed. We'll see you in the morning. Good morning. 7 o'clock. Me and Simon are going to get up now, have a cup of coffee, porridge, pack up and head on out of here. Quite an eventful night. Didn't get a lot of sleep, to be honest. Me and Simon woke up about 2. Oh, lovely and warm in here, but God, it was windy. It'd be like nice and still, then it'd be like a gust of wind, still, gust of wind. It was like that all night. But the last hour's the wind's been picking up a bit. But lovely and warm in here, that's the main thing. So what we're going to do now is get up, have a coffee, cup of tea, and we'll see you a bit later. Guys, check this out for a sunrise. Absolutely beautiful. This place is stunning. And it's going to get better as the sun comes up now. But I'm doing a time lapse, and if it's any good, I'll stick it on the video. just opened the tent, inner tent door, and all the snow's been blowing under the vestibule, and that's the result. There's snow all over the packs, and it's pretty frosty out here, and very cold. Right, another thing I want to show you what I got these things called snow tracks. What you do, attach them to your boots, and you got spikes underneath. And they should stop you slipping in the snow. Yeah, I've never used these before, so I'm going to put them on and see what they're like outside. There they are, snow tracks. Right, coffee time now. Using my new fire maple stove. And it's working pretty well. Got the Primus winter gas. So yeah. Welcome back guys, we're all packed up now. And before we head off back down the mountain, I want to give a shout out to a YouTube channel in, I think it's Minnesota in the USA. They're called Bohemian Adventurers. And I want to say hi to Molly, Tim and Cody. Check their channel out guys. They got loads of content on there, and they do pretty much what we do: wild camping, hiking, anything that involves the great outdoors. So yeah, I'll stick the logo on the screen now. So check them out guys.
Check them out guys.
Bohemian Adventurers.
Give them a follow. Give them a subscribe.
I brought you something close to me, left with something new. See through your hair, you haunt my dreams. There's nothing to do but believe. Just believe. Just breathe.
Welcome back guys, just walking back to the car now. We just bumped into our first person to recognise us off YouTube. He follows us on Instagram as well. Jordan his name is. Top bloke. He used to have a DJI Mavic Air drone and he crashed it somewhere, so he's got 6 spare batteries, which he's kindly given to Simon for his drone.
Thanks Jordan, nice one mate.
Can't fault that, can you?
Thank you very much.
Nice one mate.
Happy days.
Right, just got back to the car now. Tell you what an amazing night that was. Brilliant camp in the snow. Awesome. Our first snow camp, and it won't be the last, that's for sure. Anyway, thanks for watching. Diolch am wylio, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.